of the Republic of Kenya, good afternoon. Hamjambo. Hamjambo. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Assalamu alaikum. Hebu tusalimiane hewani nione hivyo. Asanteni sana. This moment is a moment like no other. By the grace of God, we have got here. And let me say, that standing here today is testimony that there is a God in heaven. And today, I want to thank God because a village boy has become the President of Kenya. I want to thank my wife and family for always praying for me and praying for my team. I want to thank the many friends who have been with me in this journey. Many have gone through difficult times because of their association with me. Friends, I want to say thank you very much. In our midst, we have friends of our nation. We have presidents from around our region. Allow me, with a lot of humility, to introduce the presidents that are in our midst, because they have taken time out of their busy schedules to come and celebrate this moment with us. Allow me introduce the father of our region, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of Uganda. That is the old man always in a hat. Allow me to introduce His Excellency President Denis Sassou Nguesso, the President of Congo Brazzaville, my father who is here. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Ismail Omar Guelleh, President of the Republic of Djibouti. Allow me to introduce my elder brother, His Excellency Paul Kagame, the President of the Republic of Rwanda. Allow me to introduce His Excellency President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the President of the Republic of South Sudan. Na karibu sana Mheshimiwa. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Filipe Nyusi, the President of the Republic of Mozambique. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Felix Tshisekedi, the President of DRC. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Azali Assoumani, the President of Comoros. Allow me to introduce my elder brother, His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, His Excellency Abiy Ahmed. Allow me to introduce President Omari Sissoko, the President of Guinea-Bissau. Allow me to introduce a man who knows this country very well, and a pastor, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, the President of Malawi. Allow me to introduce our neighbor and the chair of the East African Community, the President of Burundi, His Excellency Evariste Ndayishimiye. Allow me to introduce His Excellency Wavel Ramkalawan, the President of Seychelles. Allow me to introduce our neighbor, President Hassan Sheikh Mohammed, the President of Somalia. Tafadhali nawaomba vile vile nimkaribishe mama wetu, shangazi wa East Africa, Mama Samia Suluhu, Rais wa Jamhuri ya Tanzania. Karibu sana mama wetu. In our midst are many other leaders, including vice presidents, other prime ministers, and other leaders, senior government officials, and representatives of friendly governments who've been sent to us. Among them, delegation from the United States of America, a delegation from Israel, a delegation from China, a delegation from Korea, and a delegation from many other countries who have come to celebrate this moment with us. Before I make